we have to use formula for integration by parts. So let me remind this formula first. We have integral of f of x times g prime of x with respect to x. This is equal f of x times g of x minus we have integral of f prime of x times g of x with respect to x. So we need here multiplication. So I will rewrite our square root to power form. So this is equal integral of and natural logarithm of x to square. I will just copy. So natural logarithm of x square. And like I said, I change to power form, so it will be x to power 1/2. And because we have this expression in denominator, we have to add negative sign before the exponent. With respect to x, we have integral. Of course, x must be greater than 0. Next, I will put, because we have natural logarithm, here to reduce natural logarithm, we need to put that f of x is equal natural logarithm of x to second power. Now, when we take derivative of f, we will have 2 times natural logarithm of x, and derivative of natural logarithm of x is 1 over x. So now, when I put that f of x is equal square of natural logarithm of x, the left part must be equal g prime of x. Why? Because we have to use this formula. I put for f square of natural logarithm of x, so whatever left, in this case, in this example, we have x to negative 1/2 power must be equal g prime. So our g is equal, it will be 2x to power 1/2. When you take derivative of this function, we will get exactly the same expression. So now we have to do substitution to this formula. First we have f times g. So we will have, first I will put this function 2 times x to power 1/2 square of natural logarithm of x, and we have negative sign. Integral of f prime is 2 times natural logarithm of x times 1 over x, and times g. G is equal 2 times x to power 1/2 with respect to x. So this is equal, we have to copy 2 x to 1/2 power, so it's square root of x times natural logarithm of x square minus, and we have 2 times 2 will be 4. We can put before integral, and now we have integral of natural logarithm of x. We need to copy, and we have 1 over x. 1 over x is x to negative 1 power. So we have the same base, x and x, so we need to add exponent. Negative 1 plus 1/2 will be x to power negative 1/2. And we have integral with respect to x. So now, to reduce this natural logarithm of x, we need to do one more time integration by parts. Again, I will put f of x is equal natural logarithm of x. So f prime of x will be 1 over x. So whatever left must be our g prime. G prime is x to power negative 1/2. So g is equal 2 times x to power 1/2. So now g, of course, of x. Now we have to again use this formula. The beginning we need to copy, so this is equal 2 times square root of x times natural logarithm of x to second power minus, and we have 4, and in brackets we will put first f we have times g, so it will be, I will put first 2x, we have 2 1/2 power, so I can put 2x squared times natural logarithm of x minus, and we have integral of f prime is 1 over x times g is 2 times x to power 1/2 dx. Close brackets, this is equal. We have to copy 2 square root of x square of natural logarithm of x minus, and we have 4 times 2 will be 8 square root of x natural logarithm of x. Negative and negative give us positive, and we will have 4 times 2 is 8, and we will have integral of, one more times, 1 over x is equal x to negative 1, so we have the same base, we need to add exponents, so it will be x to power negative 1/2 with respect to x. We have integral, so this is equal. We have to rewrite 2 square root of x natural logarithm of x to second power, of course, minus 8 square root of x natural logarithm of x plus 8, and now we have to use integral of power function formula, so it will be times x to power negative 1/2 plus 1, so will be 1/2 over 1/2. Always exponent is the same like denominator, plus constant c, of course. So this is equal. We have 2 square root of x natural logarithm of x to second power minus 8 square root of x natural logarithm of x. We have to flip this number, so it will be 8 times 2 is 16, x to 1/2 power is square root of x, I forgot to put plus, plus constant c. We can factorize now 2 square root of x, and in parentheses we will have, I will put brackets because we need to put natural logarithm of x to second power, and we have minus 4 natural logarithm of x plus will be 8 close brackets plus c. This is my solution.